Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to apply for AdSense in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your WordPress account. So what you want to do is go ahead and create a new account if you do not already have one, and after logging in and opening up your website, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started applying for AdSense. Basically guys, what we're looking for right here is at the left side of the screen. We want to go ahead and scroll down until you find this option right here that says tools, and once you find tools guys and put your mouse on it, in this new drop down menu that appears, you want to open up marketing. So after you have opened up marketing, it's going to open up this marketing tools page where you can take a look at the marketing tools. We do not want to look at that. We want to find this traffic tab. Click on traffic, and after clicking on traffic, this is now going to open up this traffic tab where once you scroll down, now we can find this section right here for Google Analytics where we can start with connecting our site to Google Analytics in just seconds with the premium plan and applying for Google Analytics. And Google AdSense is going to be within Google Analytics right here. So once you connect your account and apply for it, you'll be administrated to the website where you can go ahead and connect your account and start using Google AdSense. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.